Walang flower. Yeah. Ano to? Parang classic yan. Ano ka? Malamig talaga. Are you not cold, Jack? No.
Hold my jacket.
I cannot. I'm hard. Punta kami ngayon dito sa Churok.
I see the turn.
Hindi ko na-expect na malamig.
You have to take a right.
What?
Take a right on the bridge. There's the very blossom.
Ay, sawa ko mong iyo ko ng palo.
Nice. I'm gonna use the umbrella.
Yeah, please.
You have your hoodie.
It's muddy.
It's a video.
Hi, Zach!
What I put my jacket? Mom, my jacket. What do I put in it? What did I put my jacket? I'm at the cherry blossoms. Even though it's raining, it's okay. The cherry blossom is nice. It's really windy. Oh, so this is the video. This is nice. Bye.
What do
This
you
one?
guys? Wait lang. What do you guys want to eat?
I'm not allowed to choose.
Diba? 1 hour nag-ayos, 1 hour nasira lang ng ulan yung... Ay, sorry. 1 hour ako na guys. 1 minute lang nasira yung ayos ko ng ulan. Grabe. Tignan mo, parang naligo ako ulit. Mas maliligo ako ulit. Tapos sa bahay, pagdating sa bahay, 3 beses na ako naligo.
World of Pizza.
Green sauce. I'm looking at the desserts.
Baka ramen with spicy. Spicy.
I want the matcha mocha ice cream.
Okay.
But it has red green sauce.
Without. Okay. Just say that without. Red bean.
What's that?
It's a bean, black bean.
No, I don't want
Yes. You say without.
Matcha ice cream.
Tapos ano, may seaweed salad.
Seaweed salad. Maraming order na yung mga bagets.
Ito lang.
Yung baget. It's makalak.